Okay guys, I got my dog Annie out again tonight. We're going to go out on the lake a little while tonight and see if we can get on us a coon. Getting out of the box now. I've already got the boat in the water. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Head to the water and we'll see what happens. I believe old Annie's just got whiff of one. Gonna ease her up this ridge. Go on, girl. Go on. And she's off. Shouldn't be long. Okay guys, she just went up the mountain a little ways and now she's treed. I've got to tie the boat up and head into her. She's sounding good. Okay, I just found this branch. It's fell off on the lake bank here. We're tied up. Boat shouldn't go nowhere. Should be good to go. Okay guys, I just made it to a tree. It's not looking good. Big pine tree. I'm gonna go up the hill and see if I can shine over in it. I'd say he's up there. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Well, I've made it about halfway up the mountain here so I can look over into the pine tree. I got up on this cliff. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I'm pretty high up. And I ended up, right there's the pine she's treed at the bottom of. And the coon went up the pine. And there's a tree limb. There's a beech tree behind it. And right there's the coon. Right there. Hanging out on a limb. I'm going to try to move around here and see if I can put him out to her. She done good. Got my trusty buck mark out tonight. I'm going to try to knock him out to her. If I can see here. It's hard to hold a phone and shoot and everything. I can tell now that that's not going to work. I was going to try to look through the scope with the phone, but not clear enough. Let's see if I can hold it out to the side. Okay, right there's a coon. One shot, that's pretty good right there. Let's get down to him. I'm halfway back down the hill now. Up at the top of that cliff's where I was. Steeper than a mule's face. Right there's the pine she was on. Where's that, Annie? Where's that girl? Where's that? Still steep. Here's Annie with the coon. Good girl. Big coon. Okay. Good girl. Right in the ear. Around all the cliffs here around the lake, I like to try to put the coon out dead when I'm anywhere close to a cliff, because last year Annie walked out on one and fell out and dislocated her leg. I thought she was going to be down for a while, but she bounced back and we're still out tonight. That's a good sized coon. Big sow coon. Go and try to get us another one. Okay, here we are again. I didn't get a chance to film her getting off the boat. We got about 10 foot from the bank and she leaped off and hit the water this time, but I just got the boat tied up here again. Got tied off to a big rock and she's just barely up the hill here. Tree. Go see what she's got. Okay, here she is. She's treed up this poplar tree. You can see how soaked she is. It's going to be cold later. It's going to be a cold home. Ease up the hill here and see if we can look over in it. Hard to get up high enough. I still can't get a clear view over into it. Thorn bushes. Okay, I got him. Turn the light on bright. Right there. Good looking coon. I'm going to leave that one up there. Hopefully tree that one next time. Since we didn't get any race out of it, that one there's a little too easy. Another good thing about Annie, we know the coon up there. She done a good job on it. Tree is hard. Good girl, Annie, good girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Annie, come on, Annie, come on. We can just lead her off. Get off this little ledge here. Okay, we're good. And Annie will just go back to the boat. Come on, girl, load up, load up, load up, load up. Come on, girl. Come on, come on, come on. She'll sit there and wait for me till I get the boat untied and be ready to go.